everyone, welcome to the StackSpot AI tutorial. In this video, we'll walk through the process of creating a quick command for the IDE. Let's get started. To begin, let's clarify what a quick command is. Quick commands allow you to create a chain of prompts combined with web requests, essentially predefined instructions that streamline specific actions by connecting prompts and requests in sequence. With a simple right-click, you can activate these chained actions, making interactions with the LLM more efficient and powerful. First, go to the StackSpot AI Portal and log in with your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Quick Commands section on the left side of the main menu. Click on Create Quick Command to start, then choose the IDE option on the next screen. Now, let's fill in the details for the quick command. This quick command will create unit tests and an issue on GitHub. We'll name it Unit Test Cases Example using StackSpot AI, and for the command itself, we'll use the slug gr test cases using StackSpot. After filling in the necessary details, click Next. You can select an available template or start from scratch. In this tutorial, we'll start from scratch. We'll begin by creating a prompt quick command, which is particularly useful for text-based tasks. Click on Create Blank, drag the prompt box close to the start box, and connect them with a line. In the custom prompt box, enter the name of the prompt and specify the action you want the quick command to perform. Once you've saved your prompt, you'll have the option to use the current stack to generate code and to select knowledge sources if specific context is needed. You can also set up custom inputs for running the quick command, as well as adjust the agents for each prompt to explore different responses. Next, let's add the second step using the web request type to make a web integration request. Click on the web request box and position it next to the prompt, then fill in the details for the web request. In the web request box, enter the name of the web request, choose HTTP method, and paste the URL endpoint link. When setting up the quick command interface, you can choose how users will interact with it in the IDE. Options include replacing selected code, inserting it above or below the code, or using chat. The final result box allows you to view variables from previous prompt and web request boxes. The final outcome will depend on the specific details you enter here. After setting everything up, click Save and connect the prompt, web request, and finish boxes in sequence. Once everything is linked, click Finish again. To test your new quick command, head over to the Try section and run it to see it in action. And that concludes this tutorial. You now know how to create a quick command IDE using chained prompts and web requests in StackSpot AI. For more information, be sure to check out our documentation at stackspot.com. Thank you for watching.